Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about the basics of building a successful affiliate business. This is important as it will allow you to move forward with more clarity, as you'll be more aware as to what truly matters when looking to build your affiliate business the right way. But before we get on to all that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about all the hassle of creating your own product when you're just starting out. You don't need to build a website, you don't need to write a sales letter, and there's no need to worry about customer support as a product owner takes care of that. Basically, you just promote someone else's product and collect a commission every time someone makes a sale. This way is far easier, as you only really need to concentrate on one main aspect: getting people to see your affiliate offer. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I'll not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the subscribe button, and when you hit the subscribe button you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay. Let's move on to today's topic, the basics of building a successful affiliate business. This is important as it will allow you to move forward with more clarity, as you'll be more aware as to what truly matters when looking to build your affiliate business the right way. When we start out in business, it's common to feel overwhelmed, as it seems there are so many new skills to learn. But please remember that learning new skills is how we grow as people. Now, despite these new skills you'll soon learn that will hopefully empower you with the necessary ability to create a better life for you and your family. Our goal is to keep things simple and to make the whole learning experience as easy as possible. So today, what I want to do is introduce you to the basics of business success. First of all, let's look at how most people starting out as an affiliate marketer actually think. There's a common misconception that successful affiliate marketing is all about driving traffic or building an email list. I'm sure you've heard this said at some time, and many people believe these are the key drivers to success online. And whilst these 2 things are indeed very important, they're not the foundation of what you really need to grasp. Okay, so what is? Well, how is a business built? A business is built by providing a solution to a problem other people are experiencing. Let's take you as a hypothetical example. Okay, say your current problem is that you don't earn enough money through your existing income source. In seeking a solution to that problem, you have decided to commit to building a new income source as an affiliate marketer. So our aim is to provide you with the very best solution to help you do just that. In return, you will exchange money for the solution. However, and please take note, just making sales alone is not the answer. If it was, then more people would be successful in this industry. Now, the real key to a successful business as an affiliate is this: making sales profitably. Now that might seem obvious, but let me explain. You will often hear people online talking numbers, how much income they're generating each month in online sales. But it doesn't matter what your turnover is if you're not making a profit. As the saying goes, turnover is for vanity, profit is for sanity. The cold hard facts are that the majority of aspiring affiliate marketers online are actually spending more than they're making. Fact. Most businesses start out in the red due to initial startup costs, and clearly this is not sustainable long term. So the goal as an affiliate marketer is to get customers and to do so profitably. Once you can do this, then and only then can you scale your business to the level of income you desire. As you move forward with your affiliate business, There will be all kinds of numbers you get to learn about and hear about touted on the internet. Opt-in rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, average customer value. These are just a few examples. And while they're very important, and we do need to track and measure certain numbers like this so we can make improvements if necessary, never forget this golden rule. When all is said and done, what will dictate your ability to reach your goals is what you put in versus what you get out, whilst providing value to others. So the next burning question, how do we get customers profitably? Well, the answer to that comes in the form of a certain type of sales funnel. You'll find out more about this by clicking the link inside my description below this video. There's a lot for you to learn moving forward, and hopefully I can help you with this. And what seems overwhelming right now will hopefully soon become much clearer. To keep things simple, despite all the numbers, all the growth you'll experience going forward in your affiliate business, never forget that what we are ultimately doing is providing solutions to people's problems. And in providing the solutions to these problems, we can generate customers online as an affiliate marketer. But don't forget, the goal is not to simply generate customers, but to do so profitably. Now, if you look at my description below this video, you'll find a link where you can access a free online training video. The training video is presented by my partner Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, who during the training video will reveal the 4 core areas you need to focus on to grow a profitable affiliate business today. I strongly recommend that you at least take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training. Okay, now if you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below and click the link, sign up and watch Dean's free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.